Aunt Sarah Cooks for you today is an amazing chocolate chip recipe that's really chewy and chocolatey. This is a favorite recipe of my kids and they generally keep trying a lot of cookies, and this was one of their best and they wanted to try this with you today. So I've used 3/4 cup brown sugar, melted butter half a cup, half cup white sugar, all purpose flour or maida 1 1/4 cup, vanilla essence half a teaspoon, salt half a teaspoon, baking soda half a teaspoon, and 1 egg. And apart from this, we'll be using chocolate, that is a bar, not chocolate chips. I've used milk chocolate and the dark chocolate. Today Zayan is making these cookies and he's the one who keeps trying all the different recipes on cookies. So today he'll be making this for you. We'll start making the mixture for the cookies. So first we'll add in the brown sugar, the white sugar, salt, and the butter. If you're using salted butter, please don't add in the extra salt. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add in the salt. So mix everything together. And once everything incorporates well, add in the egg. We'll mix this also really well. This is really simple. We generally buy cookies from outside, but you can make your own chocolate chip cookies at home anytime. So let's add in the vanilla essence. And with kids at home these days, they can always try different recipes, and this is one of the easier recipes. I've added the baking powder and the maida or the all-purpose flour. Mix it well, and now we'll add in the chocolate chunks. You can just add either one of them or both, it's up to you. We are adding half and we'll add in the rest of the chocolate later. Fold in the chocolate. Make sure you don't over mix it, because if you do, your cookies will be really rubbery. They won't taste good. So after this, we are going to refrigerate this mixture for at least 1 to 2 hours. If you want a more intense flavor, then you can refrigerate it overnight as well. So line a baking tray with some parchment, and using an ice cream scoop, we'll place the biscuits, the cookies about 2 inch apart from each other. Preheat the oven and bake them at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the sides of the cookies get dark. The cookies are ready. They really smell amazing and it's so easy to make. Just 10 to 12 minutes in the oven and they are ready to go. So we'll allow them to cool a bit before you start peel them off the baking sheet. Otherwise they tend to break. So we'll cool them on a cooling rack for some time and they are ready to be served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So we hope you like this recipe.